Let's get into that, because before talking to you, I skimmed through your research paper that you're currently working on about the cognitive enterprise and the symbiotic intelligence that is
Yes.
there. So, can you tell a bit about what actually is this symbiotic intelligence is all about?
Right. So, in traditional terms of how we've developed computer science, we've always pinned human capabilities and us trying to replicate them. So, the traditional paradigm has been replicate human capability with computational methods. We've reached a point around maybe 4 years ago where that paradigm should shift. It's not longer good enough because it drives us into the false premise of human cognitive replacement, right? It's not adequate where there's a lot of potential in humans that computational methods cannot do. There's a topic called Markovec paradox, which he meant there's things that machines do really well that humans cannot, but there's also things that humans do really well that machines cannot. So symbiotic AI talks about building algorithms as a supplement of human capability, not to replace, but human-led machine-assisted, and maybe at some point machine-led human-assisted, but always as a symbiotic relationship, which is a lot harder because it means that as a computer scientist, you need to learn about psychology. You need to learn about neuroplasticity, how humans learn, neuroscience, and the fact that there are things that humans are really good at that an algorithm will never be good at it, right? When you design that way, then you're designing a cognitive assistant, someone that helps, or an algorithm that helps a human think, a human make a decision. And that centricity to me unlocks value that we haven't really thought at before. We haven't actually redesigned the way we think of our role in interacting with the machine.
Right. Because of this transformation, can we see humans getting to their best potential? Is it like as the technology progressed in the last so many decades, because of technology and other things that made the human lives easier, do you think the thinking capabilities and the actual human capabilities slightly came down now with the rise of AI and intelligence? So is it because is AI, instead of replacing, is it going to elevate the human potential, and that's what we are going to see? So can we see some magical transformation with how humans going to use?
One of the problems with the way we enable in society human potential is that we're very slow at adapting how we develop human intelligence. We're also very slow at researching what human intelligence really is.